guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, hadn't made a video in a long time, but I wanted to show you guys the boat. I got it done finally. As far as the engine is good to go, had it in the shop. They did quite a bit of stuff to it, and they got that, they went through it, got that all fixed up. I got the new steering. I know a couple videos back that was something I was working on, needed to get done before I took it in, but we've got steering now. You can see that. But yeah, it's nice to have that fixed. Yeah, pretty excited to take it out here pretty soon. We got new seals down here. The propeller there, it was leaking a little bit around there, so got that fixed. Let me get this off and show you. Got a new water pump, carburetors, spark plugs, stuff like that. So got some new solenoid stuff going on there. Power packs, spark plugs, wires. Got a new fuel pump. Anyway, I think that's about it on what's been done. Of course, I've repainted the trailer and everything, and just stuff like that. So I'll be taking it out soon, hopefully, and I'll see if I can get a video for you guys then. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here on the next video.